Good morning, Year 1, and welcome to our 4th day of working with numbers greater than 20. So today we're going to have a go at comparing numbers represented visually, okay? And we're also going to be making use of base 10 equipment in class, but you don't need to use that at home to help you. But if you've got access to the app that was demonstrated on Monday, that would be great. Okay, so our starter that we're going to do in class is the exchange up again. So again, if you've got the access to the app which represents it or base 10 equipment, then play this. But otherwise, you can go straight on to our arithmetic starter. And today it's a bit trickier. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be working out how many there are, and then we're going to be working out one more and one less. And you may want to use a number line or a ruler or something with numbers on to help you with this. Or you could just use counters if that was better. So when you're ready, have a go and start the video again once you've done this, and we'll go through the answers. Okay, welcome back. So the first step is to count how many there are here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you will have written 8 here. Then what's one less than 8? That's 7. And one more than 8 is 9. So again, a number line would help you with that, or a number square. You can easily find those. So the next one, bit trickier. That's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 10s aren't going to change, so that's 17. 10s aren't changing, so that's 19. Okay, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh, a bit trickier this time. One less is quite easy. What's one less than 18? It's 19. And one less than 19 is 18. But one more is actually going into 20. Okay, so again, a number square or line would help you with that, or counting out an extra counter and exchanging. So now we've got 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Well, more than 25 is 26, one less is 24. Next one, we've got 17. One more than 17 is 18, one less is 16. And this last one is trickier for the less than the more. That's 20. So one more is 21. One less than 20, if we go 21, 20, 19. Okay, and well done. Okay, now we're on to the main part of today's learning. Okay, have a look at these two classes. Which has got more children in? How do you know? Explain to your grown-up. You can actually pretty much see it, but the most obvious explanation is that there are more of these rows of 10 seats. So we've got 10, 20, 30 here, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 in that class A. And in class B, we've only got 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So we can see almost immediately, if we were to represent it, that there would be, let's see this, there would be more 10 bars here. 1, 2, 3 10 bars, 30. Than there are here, because there's only 1, 2. So already, even before we work out how many ones, we can see that the number's going to be bigger because the 2 10s is less than 3 10s. You can physically see that, okay? So that's how we do it visually. Now we do it just using the 10 bars. So 14 is how many 10s? It's 1 10. How many ones? 4 ones. And 26 is 2 10s and 6 ones. So which is the bigger number? That's right, 26 is bigger than 14 because we can see that there is only 1 10 in 14 and there are 2 10 bars in 26. And so we've been able to make this number sentence, 26 is more than 14. And we'd also be able to say that 14 is less than 26. Remember, we did this last term. Okay, so here's another one. Have a go yourself, and when you're ready, start the video again. So there are 2 10s and 5 1s there, which makes a total of 25. And there are 3 10s and 3 1s there, which makes a total of 33. So which has got the more sets of 10s? 33 is bigger than 25, and 25 is less than 33. And that basically is what we want you to do today. So this is the main task. This is the one we're aiming at, what you should be able to do. But if you think it's a bit hard, or if you think it's a bit easy, you can have a look at the two on the next page. So I'm going to pause now for 5 seconds. If you do think this is too easy or too hard, then start the video again. And there we are. So the circles is the easier version, and the triangles is the more challenging one. Okay, good luck with that. And once you've gone through that, and grown-ups, you've gone through and marked it all, then there is one plenary to finish with. Okay, without using 10 bars and 1 bars, which of these is the bigger number? Okay, it's a bit tricky this time because they've both got 3 10s. So we're not going to be looking at the 10s, but we're going to be looking at the 1s. And there are 4 1s here. You could use them. And there are 7 1s here. Well, which is a bigger number, 4 or 7? Brilliant. So 37 is the bigger number. So it follows that 34 is the smaller number. And I've explained how you know. So have a go at this one. So have a go at saying which is the nut bigger, which is the smaller, and how you know. Brilliant. The bigger number is 24 because that's got 2 10s. The smaller number is 17 because that's got 1 10. So this is what we call a significant digit. The significant digit is the one that tells you which is the bigger number. Okay, and this last one. Well, actually, this last one's up to your grown-up. You can make up any number here and get your child to explain which is the bigger and which is the smaller and how they know. And that is the end of today's maths lesson. You've done brilliantly, Year 1.